Hello, scrappers. Yeah, I got the trailer loaded, ready to go for in the morning. So I think I got 11 mowers on there. But I've been working on various things today, draining a few barrels over there. Can't hardly see this monitor, sun's in my eyes. I got plasma cutter out. Sold 5 barrels today, so not doing too bad. I got this old trailer here, I need to get it cut up into short iron, bumper. And I got some items up here I'm just going to cut up. There's shred, but I'm going to cut them up smaller where they won't take up as much space on the trailer. Pack down a little better. Like that barrel's got a major dent in it in the side there, so cut both ends out. I'll probably try to cut it into thirds. This dryer drum is kind of bent up, and wellhouse pressure tank. Of course, then I got this old air compressor here too. Need to cut the tank on that in half. Get the tires off of it, and then it can go into short iron. And I got this old smoker grill, whatever. It's less than 3 foot long, and so I don't have to probably do a whole lot of cutting on it. As long as 18 by 18 by 3, so I'm thinking I could probably just cut the legs up here, down here, and that'll be, there, probably there, up in here, and that should be good enough. So I'll put this in the tripod and we'll get going here. So it's 3 o'clock now, only got a couple more hours of daylight, so I doubt if I'm going to get it all done, but I'll get what I can done and we'll call it a day. Been out here working on various things. Yeah, that firebox and that thing didn't really have to be cut down. It was within size, but I thought I'd go ahead and cut it down flat where it wouldn't take up as much room in my pile, and then it won't take up as much room on the trailer either. Kind of why I'm cutting down this shred stuff. Try to get that shred stuff cut down real quick, then get onto that bumper and that, hopefully get onto that trailer. If not, I'll have to move it out of the way until next time. So we'll get after it again. Okay, scrappers. Looks like the sun is done going down over the hill. So I guess I'm not going to get to this trailer today. Wife called me in to eat earlier, so lost some daylight there. But kind of hoping to get to this. Looks like a pretty heavy-duty axle. So should be some good short iron on it. We'll get her cut up. Maybe not today, but at least I got a lot of stuff downsized, or it's taking up less space now. So trying to get this upper area cleaned up. Get a lot of the stuff, some of the stuff's been sitting out here 2-3 years. Trying to get some of it out of here, so if I get busy this spring and summer, I'll have room to put the stuff and then work it out through the winter. Which I don't have the ad running this month, but I do have it in to start running again in January. And I put it in for 6 months. So, should keep me busy. Same thing with a lot of these riding mowers. I've had them for years and years, so time to get rid of them. I still want to get all this stuff here cleaned out, because I want to put a roof over this area right here and bring my melting pot and stuff up under here. That way I'm not out there in the sun in the heat of the day. And I can put some lights up under here and maybe put a fan or something. Fan for ventilation plus for staying cool. Give me more than what I had over there. So I got a heck of a pile of motors over there now, so I still got all these baskets of little stuff. I need to kind of go through that and get rid of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was kind of hoping to get to that trailer, but then I got to deal with them tires too, so yeah, there's that. But hey, we're getting there. Get some room here. Oreo decided to come and say hi. So I need to put that old cast iron bathtub on Marketplace for advertise it as a stock tank. See if I can get rid of it. If not, I'll take the plasma cutter to it and cut it up. So yeah, we're slowly getting there. I got the 1 ton parked over here. A lot of guys have been asking about it, whatever happened to it. I got to get the brakes done on the rear brakes on the driver's side. The caliper went out. I think the rubber cracked or broke on the caliper, and brake fluid is just oozing out. So I got 2 pairs of vice grips on that rubber hose to pinch it off. So I can still drive it, but you know, the way it's rigged, I really don't want to go far if I don't have to. So but got it parked over here for now, so I can maybe get some melting going. I doubt if I'll do it tomorrow. I got a burner tip coming in sometime tomorrow that I want to try out. I don't know if it'll do any better or not, but we'll do a video on it and see how it comes out. And who knows, that might be in with the mail tomorrow afternoon. But I'll be busy taking this off tomorrow too, so probably won't get the melting video done until Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that. But then we'll try to start putting another load together. I got a few refrigerators down in the field, a couple little freezers down there. I think that's one of the freezers right there. Put them down there, get them out of the way. Probably try to get rid of that barbecue grill on this next load. I may kind of try to cut it down, I don't know. At least try to get some of them refrigerators on there and whatnot, and then throw some mowers on and haul it in. Try to get a load out of here a week if I can between now and the first of the year. Kind of hate to say it, I got 2 boats already, but there is another boat I've been kind of looking at. It's got kind of open floor space, and I think I can walk around on that boat, you know, easier. sides might be up a little higher. And it's been on Marketplace for about 17 weeks. He's asking $1,100. Got a 4 horsepower Johnson, and it's a tri-hull fiberglass. Trailer looks good. I'm going to see if I can talk him down a little bit on the price since it's been sitting on there for so long. And that little 4 horse would do good on that little 12 foot too. So but I like that little 2 horse. That thing is light. And I don't know if, I don't think I told you guys, but I put that in the test tank the other day, put some gas in it, and that thing started up first pull. Ran good. So I was going to buy, I was talking I think in the one video about buying a couple extra props for it, but I got online and found out those propellers are $60 for plastic propeller. So I don't know, we'll see. Probably need to get one at least. I'll have to get the manual for it and a lot of other stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna take this over and dump it. Well, I might move the tractor first, pick up that trailer, move the trailer back where I had it, and then I'll dump this wheelbarrow and get it picked up out here before it gets dark. You know, it's 20 after 5 now, so 10-15 minutes maybe. So hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Happy scrapping.